All right, so go to the main page on your OLS, go down to Social Studies, and go to Course Management. Then you are going to go to Edit Classroom Settings. You're going to click on Unit 3. Make sure that it's open when you click on it so that all of them check off. If you don't open it, sometimes they don't check all of them off. You're going to go up to Actions, Show Content, and then hit Save. Okay, then you're going to go back into Edit Classroom Settings. You're going to click Add Due Dates. You can just click Continue the whole way through this. Continue, continue, continue. Confirm. It's going to put the wrong dates up, but that's okay, because what we're going to do, we're going to go in and we're going to fix the dates. So we're going to start with December 17th. Now, I I'm not going to go through here on the video and put all the dates in. I'm going to send a snip of all the dates, that way you guys have them. But I am going to do Unit 2, that way they show up in overdues. I will leave that up to you whether you want to, but Unit 2 starts with December 7th, and then we have December 9th. And then we have December 12th, and then December 14th, and then December 16th, and we had one on Monday, the 19th, and then we had one on January 4th, and then January 6th. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to do these, and this is going faster than I thought, so I'm going to do it on the video. Actually, I'm going to pause it. I'm a thinker. Alright, so when I was done putting all the dates in, I just hit Save and Exit, and here are all the dates for Unit 2 and Unit 3. So anything they didn't do in Unit 2 will show up as an overdue on the OLS, and Unit 3 should, starting next week, should start showing up on their OLS starting on the 9th. It should start showing up for them. So you will want to do this today because it's going to start showing up Monday we need it. So please do this today. Okay?